Few wounds cut as deeply as betrayal, whether it's from a partner, a parent, or even an institution you trusted. Betrayal shakes not just your relationships, it shakes your sense of safety in the world. It can shake your reality, and it can shake your faith. Research on betrayal trauma reveals higher rates of anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress. Physically, betrayal stress can lead to sleep problems, weakened immunity, and increased risk for chronic illness. This happens because the brain perceives betrayal as a survival threat, keeping the nervous system in high alert. Different types of betrayal trauma include relational betrayal, such as infidelity or abuse, familial betrayal, when caregivers fail to protect, and institutional betrayal, when schools, workplaces, or religious groups or governments minimize harm. Each type leaves the body and mind searching for safety. Here's the hope. Healing is possible. Under the salutogenic biopsychosocial spiritual model, we don't just look at what's broken, we focus on what creates health. Biological, grounding practices, sleep care, calming the nervous system through breath work and movement. Psychological, coaching, therapy, journaling, reframing mindsets, and reframing not only the way we think about the things that we've been through, but the way that we tell those stories. Social, safe, supportive connections that rebuild a sense of belonging and a place to rebuild trust. Spiritual, practices that invite meaning, forgiveness, or simply peace in your own timing. Healing doesn't erase betrayal, but it does restore your sense of personal power, peace, and choice. What is one gentle step you could take today to rebuild trust with yourself? You have the ability, and your longest relationship is with yourself. If you'd like more science-backed guidance and whole person tools, subscribe here or connect with us at wholeselfwellness.org. You are not alone in this healing journey.